Hi, this is part 12 of completing the residential heat loss and heat gain worksheet, the final steps. Firstly, what you need to do is, once you have completed your internal heat gain, you can tally up the heat losses and the heat gains. Now there is a duct loss and a duct gain factor that can be included in your calculation. However, in our example, all of the ductwork is located in the basement and therefore is not assessed any loss or gain. So these boxes in our example remain 0. So our total heat loss for the basement is 6170, which is brought down to the final heat loss box. The heat gain to this point is 435. However, for the heat gain, we need to add 30% as an approximation of the amount of latent load that might be included in this heat gain. So you simply take this subtotal, 435, times 1.3, and that will give you 566. With the kitchen, the total heat loss becomes 3910. The subtotal heat gain is 2031, but then we have to add the latent load, so 2031 times 1.3 to give you 2640. And you would carry this on for all of the rooms in your house. So make sure that you're always adding 30% latent load to the cooling subtotals. Once you have completed all of these boxes for all of your rooms, you add them all up. So you add all the heat losses and all the heat gains, so that you get a total heat loss and a total heat gain. Then you need to take the ventilation heat loss that you established from your calculation for the HRV. You take these two values and you add them in row 19 and row 21. And finally, you would add row 18 and row 19 to get your total heat loss, and you would add row 20 and 21 to get your total heat gain for this particular model. And then you're done.